Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we're going to analyze the Cardano chart and see what Cardano is doing in the short term. As you can see, Cardano, according to our previous analysis from 2 or 3 weeks ago, made a nice breakout and broke through this resistance. First it went up and had a pullback. It hit this trend line, which it tested 3 times and couldn't break through, but on the 4th try, it broke this trend line. Honestly, I think Cardano has the most beautiful chart in crypto right now. Backtest on the trend line, backtest on the support level, really beautiful. And right now it's working at the bottom, and honestly, I think it could give us a 50% move. And what's interesting about Cardano, as we talked about before, is that Cardano has formed a triple bottom here and beautifully broke out and backtested this support level. And now it is diligently working to see if it can indeed give a significant 50% move and ultimately reach the very top of this rather substantial correction or not at this particular moment in time. What we figured out based on this, the RSI that we are seeing here, just like we drew this line and this green box in previous weeks, its RSI has nicely held itself at 40 when it reached the overbought area. And during this pullback, its RSI maintained itself well at the 40 level, showing that it's still in bullish momentum. On the other hand, in this section, we can also see that its MACD is turning green nicely, and with this double bottom that it has formed here, if it turns green, we can say that in the coming weeks, this 50% move might happen. And when Cardano, the popular cryptocurrency, reaches this significant area, it can almost certainly get to, say, a substantial $1.20, and then we will have to carefully observe what truly happens there. It might form a flag, a bull flag. It depends on the market. That is, the price could go up, form a small bull flag here, and then head straight toward the all-time highs. Because Cardano, it doesn't have much resistance until it gets close to the all-time highs. It has one more resistance here in this area, and after it passes this part, there isn't much resistance until its all-time high, which is around $3. And what's interesting in the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is that we had drawn a trend line here, which we talked about 2 days ago, and this trend line was beautifully broken, and now it's moved up. And most likely, Cardano could be the catalyst for this total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, to move toward all-time highs, because Cardano is part of this total market cap and is one of the biggest coins in crypto, pretty much. And it could be the catalyst that pulls this up and pushes it toward all-time highs, and because everything is indicating that it's ready to reach all-time highs. On the other hand, we had analyzed Ethereum. Ethereum is also close to its all-time highs, and the money that has flowed into Ethereum is gradually starting to move out and may enter other coins in the coming months or weeks. And the next coin that might reach its all-time highs is a Cardano. Because right now XRP is close to its all-time highs, Solana is close to its all-time highs, and Ethereum is close to its all-time highs. Bitcoin broke its all-time highs a long time ago, so which coin could be next? If it's anyone's turn, it's Cardano's turn now, and we have to see what happens to Cardano in the coming weeks. For now, Cardano has crossed all its moving averages. It went below the 50-day moving average, and now it's formed another candlestick. We have to see if this candlestick can close above the 50-day moving average today or not. It has also crossed the 200-day and 100-day moving averages. And what's interesting is that most of the coins I follow are below their weekly moving averages. But for Cardano, this doesn't apply because Cardano has broken through all of its weekly moving averages and is moving upward. In this section, you can see that it has tested the 50-week moving average, broken this trend line, and now it clearly has a bullish momentum and is moving upward. I think Cardano could have a strong move in the coming weeks. Everything depends on Bitcoin holding the level it's currently at. If Bitcoin holds this level, it's very good for Cardano, and I think Cardano could make that 50% move in the coming weeks. That was today's video about Cardano. And don't forget, trading is never 100% certain and everything depends on probability. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Until the next video, goodbye.